Father. A person who never complains. A person who will sacrifice and give up his everything but will never demand or expect anything in return. In the end of the day, he's the only person who will grab your hand tightly when you're falling down and say, I believe you, I trust you, I will support you no matter what. Thank you, Baba. Thank you for everything that you have done for me. I love you and happy Father's Day.
Papa, you are the one when I need you. You are the one when I call you. You are the one who is with me and my task of being in the life glory and bask. I am so lucky that I have you as my dad. I swear that I am so glad. Thank you, Dad, for being there for me. Happy Father's Day.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, ओ मेरे पापा, पापा, ओ मेरे पापा।
अजीज तर वो मुझे रखता है रगे जां से, अजीज तर वो मुझे रखता है रगे जां से, ये बात सच है मेरा बाप कम नहीं है माँ से। वो माँ के कहने पर कुछ रोब मुझ पे रखता है, वो माँ के कहने पर कुछ रोब मुझ पे रखता है, यही वजह है मुझे चूमते झिझकता है। वो आशना मेरे कर्ब से रहे हरदम, वो आशना मेरे कर्ब से रहे हरदम, जो खुल के रो नहीं पाया मगर सिसकता है।
I love you, Dad. Your arms are my shelter, assuring me that it will be better. Your hand is my comfort, lifting me up when I feel short. Your voice makes me strong, teaching me what's right and wrong. Your smile says it all. Dad, I love you more than all. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in this world.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Thank you for all you have done. If there was an award for Best Father ever, then I'm sure you would have won. You have been my supporter. I feel so lucky indeed to have you as my dad. So I'm so lucky to call you my dad. Again wishing you Happy Father's Day.
I want to speak a line on my father. एक ऐसा इंसान जिसके दिमाग में हो पूरी दुनिया भर का टेंशन और अपने दिल में सिर्फ अपने बच्चों की फिक्र होती है. Who is he? He is none other than my dad.
The more I get older, the more I realize how important it is to have a father like you. You have given a stability to my life and love and acceptance. Thank you for everything you did for me. And happy Father's Day.
I feel safe when you're with me. You show me fun things to do. You make my life much easier. The best father I know is you. I'm happy you are my dad, and so I wish to convey I love you and I wish you a very happy Father's Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
A dad is someone who holds you when you cry, scolds you when you break the rules, shines with pride when you get succeed, and has faith in you even you get failed. A dad is a person who catches you before you fall, and he shows you a right way.
Thank you for all you have done. If there was an award for best father ever, then I am sure that you would have won. You have been my support through the good time and bad. I feel very lucky indeed to have you as my dad. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
The reason why daughters love their dad the most is that there is at least one man in the world who will never hurt her. Dad, you have given me the best things in life, your time, your care and your love. I'm truly grateful to have you in my life. There is no possible way I could pay you back for all that you have done for me growing up, but I greatly appreciate all your hard work raising me.
I sit and look back to how far I can remember, and you are always there next to me. Each and every day you are helping me grow up and making me the best that I can be.
I feel safe when you are with me. You show me fun things to do. You make my life much better. The best father I know is you. Happy Father's Day.
A dad is a person who is loving
what you have on your mind. He's someone who listens, suggests, and defends. A dad can be one of your very best friends. He's proud of your triumphs, but when things go wrong, a dad can be patient and helpful and strong. In all that you do, a dad's love plays a part. There's always a place for him deep in your heart. And each year that passes, you're even more glad, more grateful, and proud just to call him your dad. Thank you, Dad, for listening and caring. I wish a very happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world. Thank you.
Your love is as fresh as the morning dew. For that, my daddy, I say thank you. Words may never be enough how proud I am that you are my daddy. Years may not be sufficient to count it all. With your life, I am truly grateful. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Every child needs a gentle hand to guide them as they grow. So walk alongside with me, Daddy. We have a long way to go. Thank you, and I wish all of you Happy Father's Day.
Daddy, Daddy, let me say I love you for every way. I love you for all you do. I love you for being you. Daddy, Daddy, let me say have a happy Father's Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
पेकर है वफा का मोहब्बत का ये शख्स दुनिया में सबसे जुदा है। चाहत के खजाने हैं हर लफ्ज़ पे उसके। दामन मेरा उसने दुआओं से भरा है। मुझको नहीं देखा कड़ी धूप ने छूकर। बाबा मुझे दुनिया में ऐसा मिला है।
Father, you are the best, always studying by, teacher of my life, hero in my eye, engineer of the year, role model of the century. Thank you. Happy Father's Day.
My father is the best person. My father is the world's best father. He takes us in Sunday's holiday to spend with us. He is a hard worker. He gives me all happiness and love. I love you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Dad are the most ordinary person in the world. Turned by love into heroes, adventures, storyteller, singer of the song. My dad is the world's best dad. I love you, Dad. Thank you.
Dad, you know that I like Batman and Superman's cool too. But I don't really need them as long as I have you. Happy Father's Day. Thank you.
Father are the first friends who make the last love of your life. Father are the parents that kind of love you. Father are men who live in the place the world hopes and dreams in their children. Thank you.
I am proud of my father very much because he is in Indian Army. My father is my supporting system. I want to be like him.
Dad, you know that I like Superman and Batman cools too, but I don't really need them as long as I have you. So wish you a very happy and a joyful Father's Day, Dad. Thank you.
Anyone can be a father, but it takes someone special to be a dad. Dad is such a small word for such a big-hearted, strong human. I love my dad very much. Thank you.
Father's tear and fear are unseen. His love is unexpressed towards his child, but it reminds us as a pillar of strength throughout our life. Thank you and happy Father's Day.
I'm proud of my father and he is always support me. And for me, he is my hero. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I feel safe when you are with me. You show me fun things to do. You make my life much better. The best father I know is you. Thank you for loving me.
Just want to let you know, you mean the world to me. Only a heart as dear as yours will give so unselfishly. The many things you have done all the time that you were there help me now down inside how much you really care. Even though I might not say I appreciate all you do, richly blessed is how I feel having a father just like you.
The best thing is that God ever blessed us with His wonderful and caring dad like you. Thank you and have a nice day.